Wow, he ate that whole thing. That's a goat. What's a goat say?
No.
Go, ah. There's a sheep. You want to give some celery to the sheep?
Yeah. Look, he's cooking.
He ate the whole thing?
Look.
Oh my goodness. You must like that, huh?
Yeah. Ooh.
You gotta go closer.
Look.
Oh my goodness, not your fingers.
What?
Don't give him your fingers.
What?
Don't let him eat your fingers.
Okay.
Get some more?
Yeah.
I think that goat over there wants some. What do you think? He's trying to climb through the fence.
This one?
Yep, go closer.
What?
What did he say when he ate it?
Thank you.
Thank you.